Welcome to the rapid realm of YouTube virality. In just 60 seconds, we'll explore the top tips and tricks to get your video noticed. 1. Craft catchy titles and thumbnails. These are your first impressions, so make them count. 2. High-quality content is king. Invest time in creating videos that offer value, entertain, or inspire. 3. Know your audience, understand what they want, and tailor your content accordingly. 4. Harness the power of SEO. Use keywords, tags, and descriptions to increase your video's visibility. 5. Consistency is key. Regular posting primes the algorithm in your favor. 6. Engage with your viewers. Respond to comments, ask for likes, and encourage subscriptions. And finally, collaborate with other YouTubers. It boosts exposure and brings fresh perspectives. Remember, your journey to virality might not be instant, but persistence and creativity will pay off. Keep creating, keep sharing, and keep shining.